teaser yun para sa season 2, kakilala ko na kagad bida eh. Uy, wag, ang pangit mo, ulol.
Bidada.
Ayoko dyan kasi, ano ba yung mga rewards sa Mel? Wait lang. Search ko. Champion Duplicator, Spatula Frying Pan, Component, Champion Duplicator, 2 Tactician, Spatula
Malas mo naman pag
Frying,
napunta sa yung ano.
Tactician Crown 5 cost. Oh, ang daming spatula, ilang spatula? 3? Tangina kapag di ko yung nakuha, ulol kayo. Sana na doon ako sa spatula. Kaso tangina, ang ganda ng start ko.
Ano ba ang start mo?
Ayan, si Tristan. Malakas kasi si Tristan. Kapag nakapag-stack. Okay, baka mag-orgot Tristan ako.
Go.
2 stocks na ako kagad eh. Kaso ang ganda ng early game ko for this guy.
Something need killing.
Oh shit.
Time's just getting away.
Rel, don't fuck me up, bro.
Okay ka ba?
Hindi.
Pamilya?
Nice. Hindi pa. Kapag may good items ako, baka magano ako din.
Conqueror Emblem.
One for all. Every.
Ay, random emblem to. Try ko kaya to. Tower defense.
Fierce will is good. Jump. Pamilya siya.
Fuck me. Let's do this. Ano need mo?
Wait lang. Oh shit, may nagano family. Okay, it's Jinx. It's fucking Jinx. That's so good. Ang na Jinx, pautang na Tristana. Maka Jinx literal. Like, this is so good. Should I lock it in? Siguro hindi. Kasi may greedy bastard na force ng family reroll for no reason.
Ayun, si Ultima.
Hindi. So, ultima ba? What the fuck is this? Hoy! Tower defense yan!
Bakit?
Bumabaril yan!
Yung sa harapan. Tower defense, diba? Dapat sa harapan siya.
Hindi kayo nga naglalaro ng tower defense. Oh my god.
Uy, nagta-tower defense ako.
Okay. Sa totoo lang, ayoko mag-jinx. I need to flex Corki. I have economy augment.
Lalagay ko na siya sa likod.
Yeah, I'll flex Corki. Let's
Need
go
mo pa
Corki.
powder? No, diba?
No. Hold mo yung
No?
violet ah. Hold mo yung violet.
Sige.
Hold mo rin yung Renata.
Wala akong Renata.
No. I mean if ever. This guy is a greedy bastard. Oh nice! Yan, nagko-contestan sila. Saan na mag-contest lang kayo ah. Mga idol. That's what I like. Ano comp mo?
Pero ito rin.
Ah, Rebel Tempo. Ay! Go lang. Ay! Ba't namatay yun?
Sino mo?
Sila.
Baka minalas ah.
I have Ezreal. I think I'll give Ezreal. We can have 5 rebels next. Because you have emblem.
May Ezreal dito oh.
Huwag mo ipilit, I think.
Hindi, kumukuha ko siya.
Unless you get, unless you like the item, prioritize item. Mahirap maghanap ng item.
May Nashor stat na ako eh.
Yun yun. Ah! Thank you.
Nag-key item ni Trista.
I mean, it's a fucking Warmogs for Garen. Should be my best comp.
Friends just get in the way.
I think this is my early game.
Bigay ka na to, Trista na 1 star.
Okay. Exchange tayo. I don't have Raven. Why do I need Raven? I have Driss. Need a meteor.
Sell ko na si Sorcerer na. Ay, si Lux, no?
Sige. Where the fuck is my misery? Okay, I need economy. I'm kinda poor.
Ay, may Trista na ulit oh.
Wait lang, inisip ko yung comp ko. What's my next level? Should be... I think my next level is... Watcher, maybe. Maybe Vladimir. Or this guy. This guy seems cool. I think I prioritize Corki items. Yeah, I think I prioritize Corki items.
Para silang mga cake. Para silang cake. Ang dalawang yun.
I'm 5 streaking. I'm so good. Awan ko ba't ko binenta si Draven? Putang inang yan. I'm so bad. But I think it's too late for this. So fuck you, Draven. You're shit.
We do not die this
How's
day.
your Irelia? No Irelia?
Wala.
Oh, I have 2-star Irelia. I can give it to you. Oh shit.
May meron nata dito.
Get you.
Oh shit. I have good Tristana items. Should I go for it? Okay, one more round. Hopefully I win. I win. I think. I win, yeah. I kinda win, kinda no. Ang ganda ng Tristana items ko. Fuck.
Hindi mo ba Leonel? Ay, Leona. Hindi.
Wait. No, no, no. Rel.
Swain.
No, no, no. Okay. Bigyan mo ako ng good item. Ay, ng reason. Good enough reason para mag-Tristana. Fuck you, natalo ako doon. Noxian Guillotine. Unleash the Beast. Bronze for life. That's asking me to take it. Let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna reroll Triss. I have a lot of pairs. Got 2 pairs. Do you need Heimer? Ano ba yung no. Why do I have a lot of Twitch?
Friends just get in the way.
Di ba na ay Violet pala? Tristana. Ay, sorry?
Yeah. I'm a mixer. This is good. Automata Quick Striker. Tangina, may Mel's Blessing pala, no?
Oo.
Fuck. Bullshit. Isang blood, if possible. Nakalimutan ko. Oh my god. Huwag mo ako iti sa Tristana na hinuhold mo.
Ay, benta ko to.
Benta mo na. Sa totoo lang. Like, I'm very poor. I'm win streaking but very poor. That's not ideal. Okay, nag-miss siya. Nag-miss yung Violet niya. And somehow you're strong. Putang ina, what the fuck is that? What's my next? Spitfighter, Sorcerer. Who's my Sorcerer? It's Lux. Oh my god, Ambessa. Ambessa but shit item. I don't know about that, man. Hindi. Bawal ako mag-shit item. I need this guy. Cassiopeia! Awan na lang, mauna! Nice. Okay. I'm kinda strong.
Five cost, 4 cost, 3 2 cost. Completed item.
5. May, wait lang, isa pa nga.
5 cost, 4 cost, completed item, 3 2 cost.
5 cost? Sino ba gusto kong 5 cost? May 4 cost, no?
Oo.
4 cost, Ambessa, Garen. Bang! Oh my god! Gago! Si Garen! Hello! Sorry, natuwa kay Gareth.
Vladimir, di ba isa?
Yeah. Did I lost? Tang ina, wait lang. Paano kung emblem yung magpakita? Paano buhay ko? Wait lang. O nga, no? Wait lang.
Emblem saan?
Give me the Vladimir first. Try to get a Sojin. Open it. Sojin. Nice. Wait, I need to lose. What am I doing? Bullshit! Tignan mo yung ano, na-hit nyo yung putang ng emblem. Fuck you.
Na all.
Should I 3 to it? How many people playing my comp? 1. I need to 4-1 it. Okay, what's my... Okay, I need to think fast, right? If I go Garen... No, not Garen. Oh, Renata.
You wanna go?
Oh my god. You have a lot of pairs. Nasatawa ako.
Where they fell, freedom grew.
Ay, bye.
My quest back.
We fight for those who cannot.
Give me something economy. Tomb Raider. Conqueror. Fuck you, it's shit. What's the difference here? Martial law? No. Oh my god. There's still 6 rebels. You're still not level 8? What happened?
Ba't level 8 ka na?
Oh, of course. Look. No, I don't think you have gold to roll. Hindi, kasi supposedly when you hit for 1 or for 2, level 8, then try to hit kahit 1 star lang lahat. That's it. Oh! Rumble! I hate you. Take it. Nice. Now you just need to pray for another.
They will fall.
Ano kaya yung cash-outs natin? Sana dalawang Thieves Gloves lang. Ay, o kaya Tactician Crown. O kaya 50 gold. Sana 50 gold. Kaso 15% yung ano eh. Spatula. Like, if spatula, I'm kinda fucked. Wala ka pang Zoe? Yeah, that's bad. Walang ilawi?
Wala.
Oh my god, just get the rumble. Ano kaya? Oh my god, may spatula yung last player. Putang ina mo. Fuck you. What did you get? Ano, a spatula also? What did you get? Reforger 2x? No, you have spatula. I think. Oo nga. Oh my god. May spatula siya. Experiment. My god, paswertihan talaga. I mean, imagine you have 3 Revel. Kasi you have, kapag spatula nakuha mo sa Mel's Blessing. That's fuck. Ang best sa akin is Tactician Crown. Dalawa. Ala ka, bakit mo inanomali si Vex? What happened? Why you anomaly Vex? That's -1. Spatula, spatula. Lahat sila spatula. What the fuck? I think spatula din sa atin. Why did you anomaly Vex? What happened?
Bakit?
It's shit. That's the reason why.
Justice, by law or by sword.
Hindi pa tayo nagitang 42.
Artifact item tips gloves completed item.
Item anvil naman yun, no? Yeah, give me. It's shit. I mean, it's not shit. It's good. Bulag lang ako tumingin. It's good. It's so good. Tracer Twisted Fate. Tangin na 7 experiment. Oh my god. Crazy. Ikaw katapat ko? 7 experiment? Okay. Good luck, have fun. Good luck, have fun, bro. Oh my god, ang sakit niya! I think it's GG. Okay. Ano kaya yung blessing? Oh my god, it's the fucking bullshit thing. Quick Striker. Ambusher. Quick Striker is good. What am I doing? I should do that. But who can be my holder? Oh! Nice! I'm dead. Nice! I'm alive. Thank you. Share me. Nice.
10 rebel yan mamaya.
Oh my god! Magte-10 ano din siya. Fuck! Hindi. Kala ko magte-10 ano siya. Ay! Bakla! Ay! Akin ka! Please. Thank you. Just need to level. That's it.
Malas ka naman.
Partida useless yung anomaly mo. What the fuck?
Kaya to 10 rebel.
Did you already hit 10 rebel?
Yes.
Yeah, you can do it.
Saan pa ako naman emblems?
It doesn't matter. 10, hindi ka pa nakakita ng 10 rebel. It's your first time. Just watch.
Hindi pa, ay nakakita na tayo nun ah.
Okay. Just look at this. Ano ba nangyari? Bakit naka-vex yan?
Ha? Kasi wala pa nga ako nakuha ang ano, di ba?
Yeah, I told anything. Kahit wala.
Ay, binenta ko si Rumble eh.
Why you sold Rumble?
Because I need it for the 10 rebel.
Huh? Kanina,
Kasi
anomaly mo
ambusher
lang.
para kay Echo.
You don't really need
Or
Echo.
ano.
It doesn't
Eh, for
matter.
me, I need it.
Okay, fine. No, wala lang. Sayang yung ano mo. I mean, at least you hit it, I guess. Yun na lang. A win is a win. 6 Watcher, unlucky guy. Enforcer. Tangin na, gusto niya kaso bobo siya maglaro, nag-reroll kasi siya eh. Buti na lang. I'm so happy. What? Nasaan niya ako? Tangin ang lakas niya. Siya yung nakakuha ng ano. Lakas ng comp niya. What the fuck is that? Or like any tank, wala ka bang tank? Just get any tank or even Ezreal is okay. Not the best. But Vex is the worst. Like literally. Bloodthirster instead of that shit. Move that shit to another tank. I think that's good.
Respect the Madonna.
Respect the McDonald's. Kupal ka kasi. Team kami ng comp. Fuck you. Na-punish ka tuloy. Bitch. I'm stronger.
Someone scrape this idiot off the floor.
GG. Yo, Victor. Ito nga na, yung teammate ko malakas eh.
Victor?
Oo, malakas si Victor of course.
Ano yun? Ang sa stun? Then?
Yeah. Your strat is dog shit, bro.
Tapos meron pa akong paint na town blue.
Sa totoo lang, wala nang kwenteng paint the town blue dyan.
Hindi, I mean yun yung dahilan ba't nananalo ako eh.
Ano? 10 rebel.
Nawawala kasi yung nasa harapan ko. Tapos